Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings for your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to begin, we'll need to click on the start icon, navigate to the settings, here locate date and time settings. Now to change it, you'll need to click on a current date. Disable set time automatically. Actually, first set the date and time manually, change, and now we can pick the date as well as the time and the AM or PM 24-hour or 12-hour format. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.